DJI Mini 5 Pro 2026. Focusing on a faceless YouTube video script for a USA audience. The script is designed to be highly engaging, with storytelling, hooks, questions, cliffhangers, and persuasive language to compel viewers to watch the full 30-minute video. It's in English without timestamps, section numbers, or any extraneous data. Just pure script for direct audio narration. The content assumes speculative leaks and rumors about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a hypothetical 2026 model, drawing from real DJI trends like advanced AI, battery life, and regulations, to make it informative and exciting. Prompt 1 script. Opening hook. Energetic, mysterious tone. Imagine this. You're soaring through the skies of the Grand Canyon, capturing footage so crisp it rivals Hollywood blockbusters. All from a drone smaller than your smartphone. No FAA headaches, no weight limits holding you back. Sounds like a dream? Well, welcome to the future with the DJI Mini 5 Pro 2026. Leak specs are dropping like bombshells, and today we're diving deep into everything you need to know. Stick around because by the end of this you'll be counting down the days until launch. I'm your guide through this aerial revolution. Let's blast off. Build excitement with teasers. First off, let's talk about what makes the Mini series a game changer for us Americans. Remember the Mini 4 Pro? It was lightweight magic, under 250 grams, dodging those pesky registration rules. But leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro is cranking it up to 11. Sources close to DJI insiders, yeah, those anonymous forums and supply chain whispers, are buzzing about a sub 249 gram body that's tougher than ever. Picture this. Carbon fiber reinforcements that shrug off drops from 10 feet, and a design so sleek it looks like it was sculpted by NASA engineers. Why does this matter? Because in the USA, where drone laws are tightening, this little beast keeps you flying legal and free. But wait, there's more. Hold that thought because the camera upgrades will blow your mind. Deep dive into camera. Keep them hooked with questions. Okay, let's get to the heart of why drone pilots like you and me obsess over this stuff. The imaging power. Leaked prototypes show a 1-inch CMOS sensor upgrade from the Mini 4, pushing 48 megapixel stills that capture every sunset hue over the Rockies with insane detail. But it's not just pixels. Rumors point to a new 10-bit color depth for HDR videos that pop on your 4K TV. Imagine filming your next family vacation in Yosemite, and the footage looks professional without any editing hassle. And get this. Dual camera setup rumors include a wide-angle lens with 155-degree FOV. Perfect for those epic sweeping shots of the Golden Gate Bridge. Is it true? Well, supply chain leaks from Asian manufacturers hint at Sony's latest LTIA sensors being integrated. Skeptical? Fair enough, but if these pan out, it'll make GoPro jealous. Don't go anywhere yet, we're just warming up on the flight performance. Flight features. Storytelling to engage. Let me paint a picture for you. You're at a beach in Florida, wind whipping at 20 miles per hour, and your drone? It laughs in the face of it. Leaks reveal omnidirectional obstacle avoidance upgraded with LiDAR tech, yes, like in self-driving cars, scanning 360 degrees in real time to dodge trees or birds mid-flight. Battery life? Oh man, expect 45 minutes of airtime on a single charge, up from 34 in the previous model, thanks to efficient power management chips. For us in the States, where remote ID compliance is mandatory, integrated broadcasting is rumored to be seamless, no extra gadgets needed. Think about hiking in the Appalachians, live streaming your adventure to friends back home without a single dropout. But here's the kicker. AI-powered subject tracking that's smarter than ever. Following your kid on a bike or your dog chasing waves with pinpoint accuracy. Excited? You should be. But let's not forget the intelligent flight modes that could redefine how we create content. Intelligent modes and software. Build anticipation. Diving deeper, the Mini 5 Pro's brain is getting a massive IQ boost. Leaks from beta testers suggest Hyperlapse 2.0 with AI stabilization that smooths out bumpy flights like butter. Waypoints? Now with dynamic rerouting to avoid no-fly zones. Crucial for urban flyers in cities like New York. And for content creators, a new quick-shot mode called Sky Symphony that auto-edits music-synced videos on the fly. Imagine uploading to YouTube or TikTok straight from the app, looking like a pro director. Software-wise, the DJI Fly app is tipped for AR overlays, letting you preview